you doing? What are you doing? Huh? I'm about to get you. Come on. Come on. You coming? Okay, I'll let you come. Come on. Where's your hat? Where's your bonnet? Yeah. Are you tired? Good morning, guys. So this is day one of, or I should say day two, day three. I don't even really know at this point, but I am going to finish doing all of my Christmas stuff, hopefully. The last video, I don't know how many videos I'm going to break this down into because it's so many and my house is a mess right now, so I'm going to try to do as many videos in one as I can. But anyway, so today I am going to start on the tree that is in the living room, and then I'm still waiting on some of my velvet ribbons for Ari's Santa tree. So I'm not really being able to finish my trees before Thanksgiving because of shipping. Yes, I should have thought about all this before the holidays were approaching, but I just honestly wasn't even thinking about it. So I got a new King of Christmas tree behind me. I'll show you guys in the video how I did that and stuff like that. So this new vlogging camera is really nice, really nice. I got my auntie wig on today because I ain't want anything long, and like my skin is kind of going through some stuff right now because I put on a mask where I had makeup on. Oh God, I hate this pandemic. I really hate it. But anyway, so I am just going to start cleaning up a little bit because it is driving me insane to see all of this stuff laying out, and it's been laying out for almost a week, 2 weeks now, maybe. Did go out to the store and I bought some bins. Truth be told, honey, I got these for $9.99 because they was in the wrong spot, and they were actually $22. And they are the 40 gal. So I have some bigger ones downstairs. But anyway, so this is all the junk that I have to pile up for Christmas. All of this stuff is Christmas stuff. These are my 2 ornaments that I bought to go outside, but they are actually 2. I didn't like the color scheme of them to be outside with my other big ornament, so I left my other big one. You guys probably can't see it, but it's right outside. It's super big, so I did order 2 of those. But this is all my Christmas stuff, and I honestly thought that this was bigger because I wanted to sit it outside on my stairs, but it's not big, so I probably would just keep this in the house for Ari as she gets older or something like that. And then we have more Christmas shit over here. A lot of Christmas shit, okay? And so this is the Santa tree so far. I got this ugly ass Santa Claus from Walmart. No wonder it was $100 because it is so ugly, but I wanted it because it moves, it sings, it dances, like it does a lot of things. But I just hate how they do African American Santa Clauses. Like they make them so ugly. And he's not all that bad, but he ain't all that cute either. Like, look how they put his hair on top of his mouth, and like when his mouth gets ready to move, like I don't know if you guys can see that, like all you see is hair. That's all you see is hair. And then it's like a synthetic type, like, oh no, this is not it for me. And then let me show you the body. Look at that, girl. No, like this whole body up here moves. We ain't doing that, honey. We is not keeping that. That's going right on back to Walmart. So it sounds like Ariana is up, so I love that tree. So, sounds like Ariana is up. Hey, Mama. Hey. Hey, Mama. What you doing? Hey. Hey, Mama. Hey. Are you ready to eat? Daddy bought us some Dairy Queen, so I'm gonna go ahead and it's 2:30, so we're just gonna eat lunch right now at this point. Whenever we do eat out, it's like a whole routine. And whenever we do decide to eat out, we always warm up our food in the air fryer or oven for at least 5 minutes on the highest setting. Also, before putting our food into the oven, we wrap up the food in aluminum foil just to make sure everything is heated up evenly and there's no possible way COVID could live in the food. Because if somebody touches like the box that your fries come in or the wrapper that your hamburger comes in, your hamburger now has COVID. So that's why we just prefer to warm up all of our food for a couple of minutes on the highest setting. And then once I have everything in the air fryer, I go back and I immediately disinfect and wipe down the entire kitchen. Even if the bag wasn't in that area, I just feel more safe knowing that I disinfected my counter, doorknobs, handles, and all of that good stuff. So now I am about to get into this organization, girl. Honestly, I will be donating a lot of this stuff because I just did not realize how much Christmas stuff I had until we moved, and now it's time to decorate trees. Normally I have 3 to 4 trees in my house, and I also decorate trees at facilities, but I didn't do that this year because of COVID. So yeah, we got to declutter and get rid of some stuff because this is just way too much. This is borderline hoarding. It took me about 4 to 5 hours to get organized. After this, I finally saw what my husband says all the time. I shop way too much. I have way too much stuff. I'm excessive. I just need to stop. So, I mean, I definitely agree at this. So it's time to give little mama a snack because she was really letting me have it in the other room. So I'm just going to give her some pudding. I believe it's banana pudding. I always like to taste everything before I give it to her. I also like to smell everything before I give it to her. Like, is that weird? I don't know. I just do that. So anyways, she has had her little snack and she's good to go. And she is watching The Grinch now, which has become her favorite movie, might I add. So I'm going to get back to this organizing, girl, because the goal is to get it done today. Get all this stuff cleared out so I can start to see, you know, my trees or whatever. Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. What are you talking about? Hmm. What are you talking about? You gonna get Elmo a kiss? Give Elmo a kiss. Hi. Give Elmo a kiss. I am starting to see progress finally. So Ari's dad is home for the evening and he is in the playroom with her, so I am just going to jump right back into organizing and trying my best to get all this stuff situated tonight. So I ran out of bins because everything is pretty much filled to the top. So I have to go out to Walmart in the morning and get more bins. So I just basically threw everything in bins and tucked it in the basement because I'm like, girl, this is not going to stay up here another day. It's been a while since I've done a vlog, but my most recent vlog, which was a decorate with me for Christmas, that video got a lot of great feedback. So I wanted to come back with another vlog for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have that decorate with me Christmas video below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.